Welcome to our channel. Stay tuned for more informative content on Java exception handling. Don't forget to subscribe for updates and new tutorials. Exception handling in Java is a mechanism that allows a program to deal with unexpected events or errors that occur during execution. It provides a structured way to manage errors and maintain the normal flow of the application. Here are the key concepts involved. First, exceptions. Exceptions are events that disrupt the normal flow of a program. They can be caused by various issues, such as invalid user input. Second, types of exception. There are two types of exceptions. 1. Checked exceptions are exceptions that are checked at compile time. The programmer must handle them using try-catch blocks, or declare them in the method signature using the throws keyword. Examples include IO exception and SQL exception, while unchecked exceptions are checked at runtime and include errors that are typically due to programming mistakes, such as null pointer exception, array index out of bounds exception, and arithmetic exception. They are not required to be handled explicitly. The key difference between checked and unchecked exceptions is that checked exceptions must be declared or handled. In Java, a custom exception is a user-defined exception class that extends the exception class, or a subclass of it, to represent specific error conditions that are not covered by the standard Java exceptions. Custom exceptions allow developers to create meaningful and specific error handling in their applications, making it easier to manage and understand error states. Some of key points are specific error handling. Custom exceptions provide a way to handle specific error conditions relevant to your app. In Java, the throw keyword is used to explicitly throw an exception from a method or a block of code. When you use throw, you must provide an instance of throwable, which includes exceptions and errors. This is typically done to indicate that an exceptional condition has occurred. Some of the key points are: 1. You can throw both checked and unchecked exceptions using throw. 2. When you throw a checked exception, the method must either handle it with a try-catch block or declare it using the throws keyword in the method signature. 3. The throw keyword is different from the throws keyword, which is used in method signatures to indicate that a method can throw certain exceptions. In Java, the throws keyword is used in a method declaration to specify that the method can throw one or more exceptions. It indicates to the caller of the method that they need to handle those exceptions, either with a try-catch block or by declaring the exception in their own method signature using throws. Some of the important key points are: 1. The throws keyword is typically used with checked exceptions, those that are subclasses of exception, but not of runtime exception. Unchecked exceptions, like null pointer exception, do not require a method to declare them with throws. 2. You can declare multiple exceptions in a method signature by separating them with commas. 3. Using throws allows for the propagation of exceptions up the call. The finally block in Java is a special block used in exception handling that follows a try block and, optionally, one or more catch blocks. It contains code that is guaranteed to execute regardless of whether an exception was thrown or caught. This makes it an ideal place to perform cleanup operations, such as closing files or releasing resources. Some of the key points of finally block are: 1. The finally block is executed regardless of how the try block exits, whether normally, through a return statement, or due to an exception. 2. Cleanup operations. It's commonly used for resource management, ensuring that resources are freed up, such as closing files, sockets, or database connections. 3. Optional. A finally block can exist. In conclusion, understanding exception handling in Java is crucial for writing robust code. Don't forget to subscribe for more Java tutorials and stay updated.